Update on birds. We're going on round 2. That's baby Dwayne. Super 71 here. That's baby Dwayne. Inbred son of 74 Super 9. Caden. I think we just weaned these 2 babies earlier today. Son of Super 74. So 2 eggs. Thomas 6 Wolverine on 2 eggs. Sorry, these guys on 2 babies. Just this down there, that's a Hoosier hen paired. 1886 son on eggs. Got 2 eggs over there, but she's a wild one. She let out her nest. Guy on egg there, 6353. We got. Somehow my birds love nesting on the ground. 6404. He's crossed Derek Teal's hen that I got from him. That's a full sibling to his 4th place Hoosier winner, $40,000. Son of Fest Freddy. Eggs there. 2 babies. All the birds are out here. Individual tin here. Troublemaker cock. Cross with Caden. 2 eggs. That's Freddy there. That's Freddy. Blue grill. Eggs just hatch. Piece here, piece right here. Got some other ones in here. Here in the corner here, that's on eggs. Slate here on eggs. 25 on eggs. Egg there. This one, Derek. Gold dust. Here with the Florida Arden head. There's a slate here. It's paired up with me with this guy. Porsche. Cobra Fest Freddy. Eggs. Eggs. 2 babies there. Cobra Fest Freddy. There's a grandkid here. Baby there. Butcher bird. Side. Very, very windy today. Birds didn't come out today. I was in there, they came out. There must be a hawk around all day today. They were hiding. Another bird here from Steven. Very pretty bird. That's it. Today's February 3rd. Cold winter. Put his nose outside, but got some young birds weeing here. Grizzle. Young bird eating there. We got 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18 young birds. It's February 6th today. Add a couple more young birds to the team here. This guy, first one on the perch today. 02. These guys do. Check this here. Mic check here. 16, 15. Slide here. Grizzle right there. Splash right there. White flight. There's a young bird here. You ever wonder if your young bird's growing nicely or not? Check out the wings here. You can see little fret marks along these flights right here, you know, little line across these little small flights here. You see them there. You know, this one doesn't have any, but if you see them, your bird's either under stress, there's a sickness during that time, or you're not feeding properly, malnutrition. You know, it could be parasites or anything like that. But yeah, flight looks good. You're feeding good. Breeders and young birds are all healthy, so it's a good sign. There's a blue bar here. Show you little fret marks. So barely have any, can't really see it. Probably just one little one, but check out this flight here. Put just a little tiny dent right here in the middle here, but that's about it. I don't see much of the fret marks, but you see a lot on a couple of these beginning flights here on the primary flight. You can see them. But blue bar young bird I weaned just now. Really good. Got vibration on this young bird already. I got pegged a little bit by the breeder here.